If you're only using one type of compounding, you could be leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. Let me show you what most investors are missing. Many people think of compounding as a simple concept. You invest money, it earns returns, and those returns are put back to work to accelerate growth. But in reality, there are four distinct ways compounding can work in your favor as an investor. The issue is that most people rely on only one of these methods, leaving a large portion of potential gains on the table. Most people think compounding is simple. You invest money, earn returns, and reinvest those returns. But in reality, there are four distinct ways compounding can work in your favor as an investor. The issue is that most people rely on only one of these methods, leaving a large portion of potential gains on the table. To truly accelerate your financial progress, you need to understand all four components because together they can dramatically reshape your financial future. And when you see how these four strategies work together, you'll understand why some portfolios grow dramatically faster than others. Let's begin with a strategy that's widely discussed but rarely used to its full potential: dividend reinvestment. When a stock or fund pays dividends, you usually have two choices. You can take the cash and let it sit idle, or you can reinvest it back into the same asset that produced the payout. Reinvesting, often done automatically through a DRIP program, may seem like a small decision. However, it sets off a compounding process that grows more powerful with time. Each dividend you receive allows you to buy additional shares. Those shares then generate their own dividends, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of growth. Over long periods, this process steadily increases your wealth. One of the biggest advantages of dividend reinvestment is that it removes the need to constantly watch the market or make repeated decisions every time cash comes in. The system does the work for you. All you need is patience. Imagine starting with a $100,000 portfolio spread across strong dividend-paying companies. Instead of withdrawing monthly or quarterly payments, you allow every dollar to be reinvested and compound for future growth. Over a 10-year span, the difference might not look dramatic. But when you extend that timeline to 20 or 30 years, the gap between investors who reinvest dividends and those who don't becomes striking. Research shows that reinvested dividends have accounted for nearly one-third of total market returns in the S&P 500 over the decades. In other words, ignoring this simple mechanism means sidelining a significant portion of the market's long-term wealth-building power. That said, dividend reinvestment alone isn't enough. The second form of compounding that's often underestimated is time in the market. While it sounds obvious, staying invested is one of the most overlooked yet effective ways to build wealth. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, you could miss important financial insights, so make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Investors who constantly jump in and out of the market, trying to time perfect entries or avoid short-term losses, often miss some of the market's most profitable days. Missing just a handful of those days can severely reduce long-term returns. Staying invested allows compound growth to work quietly in the background. When you invest in a high-quality business or a diversified index fund and hold it for years, the value of your investment can grow significantly, provided you resist the temptation to sell too early. Consider companies such as Amazon or Nvidia. For example, Amazon delivered an average annual return of around 25% over a long period of time. Most of this success was the result of compound growth and consistent business development rather than short-term trading. Time amplifies every aspect of investing. During the first 5 to 10 years, progress may feel slow and underwhelming. But as time passes, the results begin to accelerate. With a disciplined and consistent approach, your portfolio can gradually grow from thousands into millions, with surprisingly little extra effort along the way. What if you don't have a large amount to invest at the beginning? This is where the third form of compounding becomes especially powerful: making regular monthly contributions. This approach is based on the principle of dollar-cost averaging. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment or trying to save a lump sum, you commit to investing a fixed amount every month. This method works in your favor for two important reasons. First, it removes emotion from the process. You no longer need to worry about whether the market is overpriced or undervalued at any given moment. Second, It naturally helps you buy more shares when prices are lower and fewer shares when prices are higher, which gradually lowers your average cost per share over time. Even relatively small monthly investments, when paired with compounding, can grow into meaningful sums over the years. Think about contributing $600 or $1,000 each month over a 30-year period. For many households, that level of contribution is realistic, yet the long-term results can be extraordinary. Over time, your direct contributions might total a few $100,000, but the compounding effect can push that value into the millions, especially when invested in dividend-growing companies or broad market index funds. What starts out feeling small can eventually turn into a powerful wave of growth. The fourth and final type of compounding to understand is dividend growth. Many investors chase the highest yields they can find, assuming that more income today automatically leads to more wealth later. In reality, the real advantage lies with companies that steadily increase their dividends year after year. When a business raises its dividend by 8% or 12% annually, it may not seem impressive at first. But over 10 or 20 years, those increases compound into a much larger and steadily rising income stream. Dividend growth is especially powerful because it delivers two benefits at the same time. As the companies in your portfolio grow, the value of your investments rises. At the same time, your income increases without requiring extra contributions or additional effort. A portfolio focused on dividend growth can eventually generate significant annual income, even reaching six figures purely from rising payouts. Over time, these increases also help protect you against inflation. As living costs rise, your dividend income can rise alongside them, giving you greater financial security and flexibility in retirement. When you combine all four compounding strategies, dividend reinvestment, time in the market, consistent monthly contributions, and dividend growth, you create a powerful financial engine that goes far beyond what any single strategy can achieve on its own. Each one is effective individually. Together, they can accelerate your financial progress far more than most people expect. Starting with a $100,000 portfolio, then adding reinvestment, steady contributions, and a long enough time horizon, it becomes possible to grow that amount into several $1,000,000. Using tax-advantaged account, such as a traditional IRA or a HSA, health savings account, allows you to keep more of that growth by reducing the impact of taxes. If you've been relying on just one compounding method, you may be limiting your long-term potential. Wealthy individuals understand the value of using multiple strategies at once and giving them time to work. You can do the same. If your goal is to build lasting wealth, it's important to take advantage of every form of compounding available. Apply all four strategies together, stay consistent, and give them the time they need to deliver results. Watch the next video to break down the 5 stages of compounding that 90% of investors never make it through. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us grow the channel and create even more valuable content.